So in part A of the problem, we're asked to find the number of people who entered the line from time 0 to time 300. We're given the rate of people entering the line during this time interval. So in order to calculate the number of people who actually entered the line, we need to take the integral of the rate from time 0 to 300. And when we take the integral of this rate over that time interval, we get 270 people. For part B of the problem, we're asked to calculate the number of people in line specifically at time equals 300 seconds. To do this, we must consider that there are 20 people in line at time equals 0, and add in the 270 people who enter the line from time equals 0 to time equals 300. And then once doing that, we must subtract the number of people who are leaving the line during the time interval 0 to 300. To do so, we take the integral from 0 to 300 of the rate of people leaving the line and subtract that from 290. When we do this, we get 80 people in line at time equals 300. In part C of the problem, we're asked to solve for the first time after time equals 300 where there are no people in line for the escalator. To do this, we can write the equation 80 people minus the rate of people leaving the line and set this equation equal to 0 and solve for t. So when we do this, we move 80 to the other side and divide by 0.7, which gives us approximately 114 seconds. But then we must add the 300 seconds that there were initially because this is only for where time is greater than 300 seconds. When we do this, we get approximately 414 seconds, and we can check this work by going back and taking 80 minus the integral from 300 to 414 of the rate of people leaving the line, and we see that we get approximately 0. In part D, we're asked to find where the number of people in line is at a minimum from the interval 0 to 300 seconds. To do this, we must minimize the function p. So we're looking for points where the derivative of p equals 0. And so when we differentiate the function p, we find that p prime equals 0 when t equals approximately 33 seconds. And at approximately 33 seconds, there are 4 people in line.